This story is about long creative process and how you can transform something ordinary into something unusual. The 1000 horsepower collection has already been presented at other exhibitions, but I decided to change it and put it on hold for some time. Invitation to participate in Red Horse exhibition motivated me to complete this creative project. It was like a knock on the door. Immersed in the world of choice, I selected 2 of 11 works and created digital sketches. The first challenge extracting works from the frames without damaging them. Who would have thought such operation would turn into true art? The next challenge step with collage turned it out to be as unpredictable as a plot of detective novels. After a little difficulty and reconsideration, I returned to mixed media. And voila! Everything fell into a place like a Tetris block, and creative process became like tumultuous tango. And then came the moments of truth. The result exceeded all my expectations. Now my works await their makeup frames from professionals, and the finished works are heading into the spotlights of exhibition hall projectors. At the exhibition, my artworks were like a fish in the water, feeling comfortable and finding common language with the audience, like old friends sharing the stories and the light of lamps. But that's not all. I still have 9 of 11 pieces ready for updating and awaiting their moment. Stay tuned for the next series about transformation.